22 Wingnut Radio out here. Found me another weird sounding frequency or weird sounding noise, and it's floating. See, it's gonna start floating over to this frequency in a bit. It sounds like it's moving on this direction, but that right there. Anybody have any idea what that is? It's just floating right around these frequencies. I don't know. Just a weird noise that I come across. Yeah, I'm on AM. That's upper sideband. Lower sideband. Hey, anybody in the comment section, please tell me if you know what this is. I mean, for real, know what it is, not just making some guess. But I've come across this weird noise before, and I haven't really put it on video. But yeah, just an odd noise. If you guys got any idea, know what it is, put it in the comment section. Like, share, subscribe, and all that good stuff like them big YouTubers say. It's the 1122 Wingnut Radio.